All right, let's go. Hello, my name is Anthony. I'm a citizen of France. I've been living in New York since 2013, and I'm an immigrant. I wanted to do that docuseries interview about people who've been living the same adventure, the same journey as me, on a different level, from different countries. Not only people from France, but we gonna meet different people from Salvador, Bolivia, Syria, from anywhere around the world, being through the same step I've been through, with their own stories, their own adventure, good times and bad times, why they did the thing, why it's been a struggle for some of them, was a hustle, sometimes in a good way, sometimes in a bad way, but I want to talk about that with them. For many people, when you're talking about immigration, about New York City, they're just thinking you book a ticket and you come over here and this is the American dream. It's not every day at least. You have to live with stress, fear sometimes on your daily basis. I've been through a lot of experience over the past 7 years. I've been assaulted, I've been robbed, I've been evicted, but I met wonderful people and I met my love. I'm being emotional. That series gonna be very deep. Gonna be a real conversation with the people we're gonna interview.
This is your story.
Yeah.